So which one do you think is better? This one or that one?
That
Oh,
one.
we're recording. Hi, welcome to Imperial TV. So tonight we're going to a cocktail party. It's a private cocktail party. And then after, God knows what. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial. James Bond, where do I park? You know, it's amazing how the art can calm you down so much. All that stress that we get at work, all the stress that we get during the day, I think like coming over here with a beautiful date, seeing beautiful art, with a nice glass of maybe wine or champagne, or even a glass of water, fuck it. But like, it really calms you down. Why? It just opens your mind. Like, it opens that galaxy that's in your brain that hasn't opened. And just like, look at the beautiful art. It makes you admire how much human can cause such a beauty in a one tiny piece. I'm impressed. Definitely recommend. You got a date? Bring it over here. Why not? Bring a glass of champagne, bring a glass of wine, look at some art. It's you late. Watch it.
Gallery for Houston, Texas, and we are having a golf event and art show. So welcome to Houston. Cheers.
So we either go to Gauchos Bisou, have some food, great drinks, or can stay here. Now let's go back. Twin brother. So like one comes at me, asks me a question, another one comes at me, asks me like, yo, I already told you what I want. But then I realized they're both twins.
I know which one is it.
We just care for satisfaction. So we're here at Gauchos Bisou. I want to thank this man right here for number one, introducing me to this place. Number two, making me feel very, very, very special. Number three, showing me how good customer service at a restaurant should be. This guy has nothing but like treated me as a king, as a good human, as a good friend, a family member, and all that. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you for so much.
Thank you
for making me feel so special, man. I love your food, I love the atmosphere, and I love the service, man. I feel so special every time I come here. I feel like a king every time I come here. Why? There's good people like his soul right here. Great people, man. Great people. You and the owner, man. It's like amazing people. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Gauchos Bisou, one of the best Brazilian places you could ever visit. Check them out.
Open sesame for me.
Thank you. I'm a gentleman.
That's awesome.
Let's go golf.
Shall we?
Do you want to ride?
Yes, please.
Come on. So we are at Star Motors Showcase.
Pretty badass.
Dude, the price of this one is really affordable. It's pretty good. This car looks like a beast. Come check the back out. Check the rear end. No, not again! $18. I'm legal. Hey. Take me out to dinner. I'm 18 now.
But you need to be 21 to drink.
It's okay. I can still drink. Hey, what's up guys? This is it for this episode. Last night was an epic night at the Art of the World Gallery, and of course we went to Gauchos, one of the best steakhouses over in Houston. Gauchos Bisou, check them out. And also Bisou, one of the best nightlife in Houston. And of course, one of my hot dates. Yes, finally. Anyways, today over here at the Golf Club of Houston, thank you so much for Altus Networking for having us over here, and also thank you so much Star Motors of Houston, of course, one of the Aston Martin dealerships, one of the best Aston Martin dealerships here in Houston. Thank you so much for having us. Stay tuned for the next episode. Please subscribe to Imperial TV. Ciao. See you guys later.